What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one. I received the magnetic lash set with lash shampoo from Luxe Magnetic Lashes, and it comes in a box like this. So it'll come packaged like this, and then on the inside you have your eyelash applicator, you have your eyeliner here, which is the magnetic eyeliner, and you have your pair of lashes here. The lashes that they sent me were 11mm lashes, which these look pretty everyday, which is great because me and the long lashes, I feel like I'm just a little bit too old for those extra long lashes, so I was happy that they sent me that. They also sent me the eyelash shampoo, and it is a foam cleanser. It says it helps remove sebum, dust, germs, and all other makeup residue on eyelashes. It also increases the retention of the eyelash extensions. So very good, because I'm definitely going to be cleaning those when I take them off. And I am on their site right now, and it is on sale for this set here, $35. So we are going to get started. I am going to be applying some magnetic lashes, which I think will go really well with the eye look I have today. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. We'll be right back. All right, so we are back, and I am first going to apply the liner, and it comes just like a regular eyeliner, and we'll use the mirror. So this does have a mirror in it, very convenient. I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner on first. And we will let that dry a bit. I think actually this one should be already ready. Where's that applicator? I'm just gonna make it a little bit easier. Alright, so lashes are on. I am not the best at putting lashes on, but I actually like these. These are sort of bold without being like over the top. I love the length. I love the sort of ease of putting the lashes on. I think for a beginner, these would be perfect because if you are used to lining your eyes with black, like felt tip eyeliner or a brush eyeliner, it is just a matter of just attaching the eyelashes to your eyeliner. You don't have to worry about the gumminess and stickiness of eyelash glue. So I like this, and I think these would last longer because I don't have to like pull eyelash glue out of it. And I think these are perfect for my eye look today. So I feel cute. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and thank you to Luxe by Mo for sending the Luxe Magnetic Lashes and the Lash Shampoo over to me. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, if I didn't say it, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.